Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today's update will be a bit shorter. The market continues to consolidate along the descending trendline, now acting as support to keep values above 116,000. As the weekend approaches, typically the lowest volume period of the week, most recent closes have still ended in the positive. Mondays remain statistically the strongest day, closing in the green about 52.71% of the time, with an average increase of 1.99%. Wednesdays carry the highest trading activity of the week. On the 1-day and 2-day timeframes, the wave trend indicator has shown a momentum shift upward, suggesting the potential for a medium-term push higher. In contrast, shorter timeframes from 1 hour to 8 hours are currently reflecting a downward bias. For more details on my personal outlook, I share those in the community discussion group, as discussing them directly here can limit reach. Reviewing the 3-day heat map, there is a notable area of concentrated activity above the current price around 118,100. Low weekend volume can sometimes make such areas attractive for larger market participants. Looking at ETF activity, on the 7th of August there were net inflows of 277.4 million, with a single major issuer leading more than half of that figure. Today's total so far stands at 43.9 million, with updated numbers still pending. This shows ongoing institutional engagement in the broader market space. In other developments, a well-known luxury automaker has announced it will now accept select alternative payment methods for its high-end vehicles, a move that further integrates emerging value technologies into commerce. Meanwhile, one of the world's largest university investment funds has made a notable allocation into a leading market-linked product, signaling that even long-standing academic institutions are paying attention to this asset category. I will continue bringing you daily updates. Join the free community for real-time chart commentary. If you found this useful, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.